If you are looking for the best single-cup coffee maker, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, Most Popular. Keurig K Mini Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Mini single-serve coffee maker features a sleek design with a matte finish, and at less than 5 inches wide is the perfect size for any space or occasion. The K Mini brewer is effortlessly simple to use. Just add fresh water to the reservoir, pop in your favorite K-cup pod, press the brew button, and enjoy fresh brewed, delicious coffee in minutes. With a single cup reservoir and cord storage, the K Mini coffee maker is the portable brewer that makes anywhere perfect for great coffee. The K Mini coffee maker is available in a variety of matte finish colors. Number 2. Takeya patented Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Taste the difference with Takeya's Cold Brew Coffee Maker. With cold brewing, only the naturally delicious coffee flavors are extracted, leaving behind the bitter oils and fatty acids, creating a perfectly balanced, smooth extraction of concentrated coffee. The Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker is a durable BPA-free Triton pitcher with an airtight lid and non-slip silicone handle. It produces 4 servings of smooth cold brew with any type of coffee grounds and is less acidic than traditional coffee brewing. This innovative line of insulated hydration solutions come in a range of sizes. Number 3. Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Coffee Maker. Our next recommendation for you is the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Coffee Maker. The single-serve side brews up to 14 ounces when using ground coffee. You can also remove the plastic cup platform to fit a travel mug before your morning commute. The Hamilton Beach FlexBrew does not have a water reservoir for the single cup side, so you will need to pour a cup of water every time you want 1 cup of coffee. The product has great reviews and other impressive features, like a 24-hour programmable timer, a pause and serve feature, and automatic shutoff after 2 hours. Number 4. Vertuo V60 Ceramic Coffee Dripper. One of the best pour-over coffee makers, especially for those interested in a single-serve device, is the Vertuo V60. It's compact, affordable, and easy to use. Since it's about the size of a coffee mug, you can even take it with you while traveling. The item is available in a range of materials, including glass, plastic, and ceramic. You can also buy it in multiple sizes, starting at 1 to 2 cups and working up to 6 cups. The cone shape helps to better accentuate coffees with floral or fruit flavor notes. Number 5. Breville BNV 250BLK1 BUC1 Vertuo Coffee and Espresso Machine. The patented extraction technology known as centrifusion works by inserting a capsule that, when activated, will spin up to 7,000 rotations per minute. This coffee maker has every feature you could need and more: a one-touch brewing system, a removable water reservoir, hot and cold coffee preparation, a milk frother, and 5 different brew sizes. The attached milk frother allows you to create top-quality latte art at home. Pour over ice to create your favorite iced coffee drinks. It features a high-resolution easy TFT LCD display. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.